Welcome to our latest video where we'll be showcasing the best fitness treadmills for your home gym in 2023. With the rise of at-home workouts, having a reliable treadmill is essential to achieving your fitness goals. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to find the perfect fit for your needs. That's why we've done the research and testing for you, so you can make an informed decision and start crushing your workouts from the comfort of your own home. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, get ready to discover the top fitness treadmills of 2023 that will help you get in shape and stay motivated. At number 1 is Therun Incline Treadmill. The Therun treadmill is an impressive piece of fitness equipment. Its powerful 3.5 horsepower motor ensures a smooth and quiet run, while its adjustable auto incline allows for a fully optimized workout. With 15 levels of incline, you can burn more calories and achieve your fitness goals faster. The treadmill also has a widened running area and 2+10 intelligent shock absorption, providing cushioning for your joints and muscles. The innovative space-saver design makes it easy to store, and the treadmill is easy to assemble and fold. With 18 preset programs and digital LCD displays for speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and heart rate, you can track your progress and download the Zwift app to get more exercise data. Overall, the Therun treadmill is a great investment for anyone who wants a high-quality treadmill for their home gym. At number 2 is Sperax Treadmill. The Sperax 2-in-1 folding treadmill is an innovative and versatile piece of fitness equipment that allows you to both run and walk at home or work. With a wide non-slip running belt and column support, this treadmill provides excellent cushioning for your joints, making it ideal for all fitness levels. The multifunctional LED display and remote control make it easy to track your speed, distance, time, and calories burned in real time. And you can change the speed or stop the machine with just the push of a button. The treadmill also features a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor that provides a large carrying capacity of up to 280 pounds. It's also easy to store thanks to its space-saving design and collapsible frame. At number 3 is UREVO Treadmill. The UREVO 3-in-1 treadmill is a great option for those looking for a versatile and convenient exercise machine. With its innovative design, it combines the benefits of a treadmill, walking machine, and working machine. The treadmill is easy to use and requires no installation, and it folds up effortlessly in just 2 seconds, making it ideal for those with limited space. The large removable table is perfect for holding a laptop, books, or other items, making it suitable for working while exercising. The 8 silicone shock absorbers reduce impact on your knees and wrists while running, and the 42.5-inch by 16.5-inch running surface provides ample space. The powerful 3-horsepower motor allows for speeds of up to 8.6 miles per hour, providing an excellent workout experience. The display on the handlebar and remote control allows you to easily track your progress, and the treadmill can hold up to 286 pounds. Overall, the UREVO treadmill is an excellent investment for those looking for a versatile and efficient exercise machine. At number 4 is NordicTrack T-Series Treadmills. The NordicTrack treadmill is a powerful and high-quality piece of exercise equipment that is perfect for those who love running. The treadmill boasts a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and a 10% one-touch incline control, which allows you to easily adjust the speed and incline of the machine while you run. The Smart Response motor ensures that you get effective speed, interval, and endurance training, while the Flex Select Deck cushioning protects your joints. The treadmill also features an innovative space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist, which allows you to fold the machine up for compact and simple storage. The treadmill comes with a 30-day iFit membership, which allows you to stream live and on-demand workouts on your equipment with global workouts and studio classes. Overall, the NordicTrack treadmill is an excellent investment for anyone looking to take their running to the next level. At number 5 is Sunny Health Fitness Folding Incline Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill is a great addition to any home gym. With its compact size, this treadmill is perfect for residential use. The maximum speed of 9 miles per hour is suitable for most runners, and the maximum incline percentage of 4.3 adds variety to your workouts. The 2.2 horsepower drive system provides smooth operation and quiet performance. The treadmill features an easy folding mechanism and soft drop system, making it easy to store when not in use. The handrail controls allow for easy speed adjustments, and the pause function is a handy feature for those quick breaks. With 9 built-in workout programs and a large LCD display, you can easily track your progress and stay motivated. The smartphone or tablet holder is a convenient addition, allowing you to enjoy entertainment while you work out. Overall, this treadmill is a great choice for those looking for a quality treadmill at an affordable price. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.